Take a ride in the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, rear view camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.